Hey everyone, let's work through a practice question together. We have a registered nurse who is caring for a 34-year-old client with burns on their genital area, both arms, and one leg. According to the rule of nines, what percentage of the body has been affected? Number 1, 28%, number 2, 35%, number 3, 37%, or number 4, 45%. So what is the rule of nines? Well, remember, this is the method we can use to estimate the percentage of total body surface area that has been affected by burns. And according to the rule of nines, the genital area represents approximately how much total body surface area? You've got it, 1%. And then each arm is how much? You've got it, 9%. We have 2 arms here, which makes 18, so we're at 19 total right now. And then one leg represents approximately 18%. So if we do 9 times 2 plus our 1 for the genital area, plus an additional 18 for the leg, we do get to 37%. So our correct answer choice here is going to be number 3, 37%.